You guys know how you guys think about this hairstyle. The complete front side right there. Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 12 and we're about to go to the bank right quick to get some cash because tomorrow we're going to Thrift Con. And I'm kind of trying out this back piece in a ponytail to see if I like it or not. If I want to have my hair like that. I showed you guys my nails yesterday, but they are like super cute. Oh my gosh, like the cat eye. Never had it. I see my mom have it. A couple times we went to go get our nails done together, but it's super cute. Like, oh my gosh. I don't know if it's just me or what, but yeah, let's go to the bank right quick to get some cash and then we're going to be back. And today is going to be another one of those editing days because as of right now, as of December, what is it? Is it the 13th? December 12th, sorry. December 12th. Bruh. I just said it's Vlogmas day 12 and I forgot what the heck the day was. It's December 12th and I forgot where I was going with that, but I need to go get some cash and then I need to come back home and edit days 10 and 11 and then make sure that I'm keeping up with this vlog. I don't know if I want to do my gingerbread house today or not, but I'm going to see how the week is looking. But let me guys know how you guys think about this hairstyle. I'm going to really try really hard to get this video out so y'all can actually tell me.
Stop the cap.
So, let's go. We just made it back from the bank, but I ended up stopping at Winn-Dixie, getting my mom some ice cream that she asked for, and I got some garlic naan to make the butter chicken. So when I got that, they didn't have the usual one that I get, so I had to just get a little packet with the seasoning in it, with tomato paste and the other stuff I'll add in there. So I do need to take this chicken out because I should have did that in the morning and I didn't do that in the morning. So put this in some warm water so that when it's time to cook it in maybe 2 hours that it'll be thawed out. So give me a second. All right, y'all, so it is later on in the day. It is 8:09, and so I'm about to get ready to close up this vlog. I thought I'd pause that, but I'm getting ready to close up this vlog. And one of my early Christmas gifts that was from my mom came into a whole book of history, from just biblical history, but also world history as well. And so I'm gonna have to like move y'all back some so y'all can see the whole box. It's like huge. So I was looking at reviews, but I didn't think it was this dang big. But we're about to open that now. Get my scalpel and let's see what it looks like in person. I was in between getting the paper version with the paperback or the hard, what do you call it? The hardback, do you call it? I don't know the size of this whole thing, but it is huge. Put that over there. So this is the book. I didn't think it was this big, but I knew it was huge. So let me bring y'all back in. It's a little bit so I don't feel like I was so far away. So yeah, this is huge. But I wanted this like earlier on in the year when like honestly this year in its entirety I've gotten more serious in my faith and studying what it is that I say that it is that I believe, learning about the different stories in the Bible aside from the one that you will hear on like Sunday at church and maybe Bible study, and also really reading it for myself and understanding it for myself. is the complete front side right there. And then let me see if I can like angle it down so y'all can see. Wow. Okay, this is the book that the back part was talking about. This is the book that reads like a book, or is it just... Okay, now it just opens up like that. Alright. It was Adam and Eve. What else? In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Author is fully aware of the difficulties and uncertainties of any system of... Let's just open it all the way this way. Wow. Moabite stone. Methuselah, that's probably, if y'all didn't know, that's like the person in the Old Testament that's the oldest person to like ever live. Honestly, this should be great. If you guys are into like history or just learning about biblical history and you guys want me to do like a series on this, I will. I might just do it anyways. It's because that's something that I'm interested in and I feel like I can talk about that. But this is a great gift. Let me see what this is over here. And I only talked about it like once or twice maybe with my mom, and she was like, early birthday gift? I mean, not birthday. My birthday been passed. Early Christmas gift. I don't know. I like how new books or like textbook smells. That's weird. It's okay. But I think that's pretty much I have for this vlog. I'm going to try to close this one down so that I can start editing days 10 and 11 so I can get those up and hopefully get this one up too. Now, I know I'll be having like high hopes. I want to get everything done, but it is 8:17 now and I don't want to go to bed too late because tomorrow we are going to ThriftCon, and so I gotta get up pretty early to go pick up Eve and make sure that we make it there at a decent time so we're not having to wait in a really long line and we don't hit traffic. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. The next 2 days should be very productive. We're going to be outside. We're not just going to be inside. So we're going to be going to ThriftCon, like I said, as well. And then we're going to be going to the Southern Hill Farm again on Sunday with my father. So that should be very eventful. So like I was about to end out before, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Thank you guys for following along and, you know, just taking a peek into my life, into my diary. And as always, God bless you. Stay tuned for the next video.